Land is the foundation of our society. It is the engine of economic growth. We build our homes on land, we transport goods by rail and road across the land, we grow our food and produce the energy on land. Land filters our water and brings into our tap. Why we take land for granted? Why do we degrade this life-giving asset? Why do we misuse it and treat like a dirt? Agriculture is the activity of man for production of food, fiber, fuel, etc. by the optimum use of territory, resources, land and water. As we all know, agriculture is the backbone of any country. For example, the major population of India is working as a farmer, accounting for around 16% of total GDP. The ratio is enough to say that India is highly dependent on its agriculture as a huge amount of land. There is no doubt that agriculture plays a crucial role in overall growth of any country. The agriculture land has continued to shrink due to rapid urbanization. Nearly 45% land across India is cultivated area and 22% of land use area is forest land. Over the year, the urban expansion to the fringes has declined the agriculture land by 16.31%. We examine the impact of urbanization on agriculture land loss in Indore. From 1990 to 2018, we combine a hierarchical classification approach with econometric time series analysis to reconstruct land cover change histories using time series. We compared estimates of agriculture land loss using satellite data with agriculture census data. In 1990, the total area of Indore city is 14,352 acres and its 40% of area is urban land and 52.5% area is agricultural land. But in 2018, we have noticed a major change between these years. The urban area percentage increased up to 56.1% and the agriculture area percentage reached up to 31.28%. Agriculture land is also being lost because it is being converted from other purposes, such as highway, housing and factories. This loss of land is large issue for agriculture because it will make it more difficult to produce enough food. We have the knowledge, we have the experience. We can roll out affordable and effective practices to manage the land and its resources better. This is the way to reach other goals. We can create the future we want in two simple ways. We can protect what we have left and fix much what we have destroyed.